Welcome, you are listening Radio Central News. I am Chandni and now news in detail. The Supreme Court asked the centre to identify private hospitals where COVID-19 infected patients could get treatment for free or at a nominal cost. A bench headed by Chief Justice S.A. Bobde, hearing the matter via video conferencing, absorbed that there are private hospitals which have been given land either free of cost or nominal rates and they should treat coronavirus infected patients for free. Mehta, appearing for the centre, told the top court that this being a policy issue was required to be decided by the government. Mehta said he would file a response on the issue. The bench was hearing an application filed in a plea which has sought a direction for regulating the cost of treatment of COVID-19 at private hospitals across the country. The top court had on April 30 issued notice to a centre and sought a response on the plea filed by advocate Sachin Jain, which alleged that the private hospitals are commercially exploiting patients suffering from coronavirus in the hour of crisis. The petition has said that the government should mandate private hospitals which are running on public land allotted at a concessional rates or running under the category of charitable institutions to at least for the present treat COVID-19 patients either pro bono publico or no profit basis. It has said that given this resource constraint of public health sector in the country, extensive participation of private healthcare sector would be required, particularly in dealing with moderate and severe cases of coronavirus that would require hospitalization. It has said that the centre, in exercise of power under Disaster Management Act, has regulated the cost of tests for COVID-19 in private health sector. On the same analogy, the government can also regulate the cost of treatment in private hospitals to combat the pandemic. With another sharp single-day spike of 6,387 infections, the country's COVID tally reached to 1,51,767 on Wednesday morning. Death toll across the country has reached to 4,337 after 170 more patients lost their battle against the pandemic since Tuesday. The recovery front has witnessed a fresh improvement of 3,935 cases, taking the cured and discharged COVID survivors to 64,426 across India so far. According to the Health Ministry update this morning, 83,004 cases were under active medical supervision at present. India needs an overhaul of its entire administrative machinery to help fight both concurrent calamities like COVID-19, Cyclone Amphan and the growing border tension between countries. This was absorbed by experts days after Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla asked for a comprehensive review of parliamentary panel system that examines budget and important government policies. The view was aired by them a day after Sino-Indian border tension escalated with Chinese President Xi Jinping ordering his military to scale up battle preparedness and India announcing no step back from areas where Chinese troops have intruded. Himachal Pradesh Bharatiya Janata Party State President Rajiv Bindal tendered his resignation from the party's top posting, citing high moral grounds after the alleged indirect involvement in the recent Directorate Health Services bribe row in the state. Bindal, in a statement and a video message, said that he tendered resignation on high moral grounds, being the party chief of the state. He further said that recent bribe scam occurred in the DHS and subsequently Director Health was arrested on the basis of an audio clip and investigation is still underway. Terming it's unfortunate to drag the name of the BJP state leader behind the corruption by some people indirectly, he stated that he considered it necessary to owe his responsibility being the state president of the party. That is all for the today's news bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.